Ethan had always been a man of routine. Every morning, he would walk to the old post office in the sleepy town of Millfield, buy a stamp, and send a letter just like he had for the past 40 years. The townspeople whispered about him. Some said he was writing to a lost love. Others believed he was penning secrets to a spy agency. But the truth was far simpler and far sadder. Ethan's letters were addressed to his wife, Clara. The same Clara who had passed away decades ago. The same Clara whose grave he visited every Sunday with fresh lilies. "Why do you keep writing?" asked young Lily, the new postmaster's daughter, one rainy morning. Ethan smiled faintly. "Because love doesn't end with goodbye." That evening, as he sealed his final letter, his hands trembled. For the first time he wrote, "My dearest Clara, I'll see you soon." The next day, the post office found his usual letter unstamped, unaddressed, just a blank envelope. And Ethan was never seen again. Some say his ghost still walks the streets at dawn, searching for a mailbox that no longer exists. Others claim that, if you listen closely on quiet nights, you can hear the faint sound of a pen scratching paper and a woman's laughter in reply.